Hello, and welcome to Effective DevOps and Development with Docker. I'm James Quigley, and I'll be your instructor for the course. Before we begin, I want to give a little brief introduction about myself. Right now, I'm the Director of IT at Axosoft, the creators of GitKraken, the legendary Git GUI. Before that, I was a DevOps engineer also at Axosoft. I'm passionate about building efficient processes for creating and deploying applications, and I love to teach other people about Docker, containers, and any other amazing technologies out there that make development easier. Next, I want to give you a brief overview of the course and what it will look like. In the first section, we will learn what DevOps means, and we'll break down each of the 3 ways of DevOps. In the second section, we'll learn what containers are, how we can run them, and interact with them. In section 3, we will learn how Docker images are created, we'll learn the syntax for the commands in a Docker file, we'll write our own Docker file for an application, and I will teach you some of the best practices that I've learned from creating Docker images. In the last section, we'll address a common theme in DevOps, turning configuration into code. We'll discuss the benefits of using configuration as code, and we will learn how to utilize Docker and Docker Compose to set up an effective development environment. In order to follow along with this course, you should have a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer with Docker and Node.js installed. You can use any text editor or IDE of your choosing, and you should be comfortable with interacting with a command line. In this course, I want to help you discover the 3 ways of DevOps, what they are and why they are important. I want you to understand how Docker can help put those DevOps principles into practice in your organization. I also would like to help you learn the fundamentals of Docker in order to accelerate development and deployment. And lastly, I would like to help you design an effective development environment using Docker and Docker Compose.